Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be doing a super duper easy look. It's actually just the eyes. So this video is going to be like 5 minutes long, and it's only the eyes because the rest of my face, you guys already know what I do on the rest of my face. Like, I don't need to go through that in every video, do I? I feel like I only need to do if I'm using new products, but I haven't gotten anything too new that I'm just like, you know, like I need to let y'all know. So yeah, I just did a super quick, easy, like purple galaxy smoky eye. I kind of was inspired by Viva Glam K's anti-Valentine's Day look. I will leave that link down below so you guys can go see what I'm talking about. I actually didn't watch the video, but I saw it on Instagram really quickly and I was like, oh, you know, that's cute, like I like it. So this is my version of it, and yeah, I just want to let you guys know that once we hit 100 subscribers on the tube, or 1,000 on Instagram, which is linked conveniently down in the bottom bar, you know, you just gotta click the little link or whatever. There's gonna be a giveaway, so make sure you guys are subscribed, have your post notifications on for Instagram as well. You guys do not want to miss the litness that is on there, so make sure you guys are post notifications are on for both YouTube and Instagram. Just like help me out, you know, and then in return I will help you out with a giveaway. I don't know what it will be in the giveaway yet, but if you guys have any suggestions on what you guys would maybe want when I do the giveaway, obviously don't get out of hand, girl. Do not get out of hand, because I'm in the same position you are, okay? Do not get out of hand. Without further ado, let's roll right into the video, whatever way it is. So as always, to start off my eyes, you guys know that we have to prime, and this is the primer I'm going to be using today. It's the Maybelline Master Conceal. Oh my god, I got it on my lash. Lord. Yo, if this video goes south, which it already is, which is not posting it, you know, worst case scenario. This is probably one of the quickest eye looks I've ever created in my whole life, and it was actually inspired by Viva Glam K's like anti-Valentine's Day eye look. I will leave that video link down below so you guys can kind of see what I'm talking about. I never actually watched the video, but I saw it on Instagram really quickly and I was like, oh, that looks cute. And then I was going out and I was just like, I need something quick, and that came to mind and I did it. So I'm about to show y'all what I did. So I used my Anastasia Prism palette, and I take, oh my god, why do I already know this video is gonna be shit? So I'm gonna go into this Anastasia Prism palette, and I'm gonna take this shade right here, and I think it's Lure. I'm just gonna take a little fluffy brush, dab into it really quickly. I'm gonna use this as a transition color. I'm just gonna go into the color black right here, which is Obsidian, and I'm just gonna take a little flat brush, dip into it, tap it off a little bit, and I'm gonna add this all over my lid. Into this color right here and mix it in with a little bit of this color, but mostly this color, and this is Dimension and Osiris, and I'm gonna pack that on top of the black. Now we're gonna take this side of the brush, and this is a brush that comes in the Anastasia palettes, and we're gonna blend that out. I'm gonna go ahead and smoke out the bottom lash line with this creamy eyeliner by City Color. Of course, it's in the color black. And I'm gonna go ahead and start. And after I've put on black, I'm gonna go back in with this color right here, which is Dimension, and just use that to smoke it out as well. For inner corner highlight and brow highlight, I'm gonna go into my Anastasia palette, and I'm gonna go ahead and take this shade right here, which I dropped or something, and it's Forever Lit. So lastly, I'm gonna do lips, and this lip combo is like my holy grail right now. I love them together. Like, I'm not even a nude girl. Like, I never really liked nudes, but these two together, they're just amazing, and I love them together. Like, I've been wearing this one for a little bit, and it is the Jeffree Star and Anastasia. The Jeffree Star one is Celebrity Skin, which is a super cute nude, and then Anastasia's Moon Jelly, which is a lip gloss. It's like a lip topper type of thing, like it's kind of like iridescent, but I don't know why I love them together, so we're gonna go in with those two. So that is it for today's tutorial, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was super quick, boom boom boom, let's go type of look. And yeah, don't forget that there will be a giveaway if and when, because I know it's gonna happen, when we hit 100 subscribers on YouTube or 1,000 subscribers on the gram. I know we haven't even hit 1,000 on the gram. Like, what is going on? And like, not even 100 subscribers on YouTube. Like, what? I know you guys is watching me, so y'all better hit that subscribe button. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. The switch up with my like characters, like, is so real. Bye.